Difference between English and Italian. Il professore, that means the professor. La professoressa, that means the professor. What is the difference between? Let's see. Il professore, that means the male professor. मैन के लिए जो यूज किया जाता है. Il professoressa for female and girl professor. Next is l'ufficio, that means the office. La scuola, that means the school. Ore, that means noon, time and hour. Ore. Next word is dottoressa, that means the doctor. Allora, so, di solito, usually. Anche, that means also. I will show you some examples how to explain. Let's see. Sono una professore, that means I am a professor. Ora sono una professore a Roma, that means now I am a professor in Rome. Lavoro in una ufficio, that means I work an office. Tu sei una dottoressa e vivi Londra, vero? You are a doctor and you live in London, right? Sei anche italiano? In English, are you also Italian? Allora, lavori o studi? Allora, that means so. In English, so, do you work or study? Di solito parli italiano con il tuo vicino. In English, we are saying that. Usually, do you speak Italian with your neighbor? Allora, cosa fai? In English, so what do you do? Di solito lavoro a Londra, ma oggi sono a Milano. Usually I work in London, but today I am in Milan. Cosa fai di solito? In English, what do you usually do?